You woke up early, made the table shine. Steam on the window, cider in the line. You're tired and still made it all look easy. You made a home out of bread and gravy. And every small thing, you always made it feel big. Every hard day, you helped us live through it. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Thank you for every little thing you gave. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Thank you for the love that stays and stays. You held my coat when the cold came in. You knew my silence, knew where to begin. You say the last roll split the pie in two. You taught me kindness by what you do. And every long night, you kept the door light on when I was not right. You still kept holding on. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Thank you for every little thing you gave. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Thank you for the love that stays and stays. For the love that stays and stays. If I have any grace, it came from your hands. If I know how to stay, it's because you